Create a new composition. I'm using 1920 by 1080 resolution and a frame rate of 30. The first step is to create the text, so go to the tools and select the text tool. Click anywhere on the screen and start typing a word. I'm using the word grace, you can use any other word. Align the text to the center. Separate the text into individual layers. That means the letter G will be on a separate layer. After that letter, R will be on a separate layer, and so on. Now align the letters to make the word. Select the A letter layer, then go to the effects and the presets and search for the CC bend. Apply it onto the A text layer. Place the markers right into the letter like this, so it will cover the whole letter. Let's animate it. Make sure you are at 1 second position, then add a keyframe on the bend, then go around 15 frames backward. Change the bend value to a higher number. Select the G layer and press P to bring up Position Panel. Add a keyframe in the 1 second mark and go around 20 frames backward. Change the X-axis value so it will go out of the frame. Do the same with the E layer, but make it to the opposite side. Again, do the same for C, but it needs to go from bottom to top. Select the first keyframe. Press F9 to easy ease it. Now open the graph editor and make the curves to something like this. If you don't see a graph, right-click on the blank area and choose Edit Speed Graph. Let's move to the R letter now. Click on the R layer and expand it. Expand, transform, and make sure the scale effect is unlinked. Add a scale keyframe at 1 second position, and then go around 20 frames backward. same for position effect. It should come from the top to the bottom. Make sure to easy ease the keyframes and change the graphs. Arrange the layer so it won't appear in the same time, which will give a more dynamic look. Open the pen tool. Make sure that the fill is set to none and stroke is white and around 40 pixels. Draw a straight line with the pen tool. Expand the straight line layer and add a trim paths effect to it. Go to around 1 second mark and add start and end keyframes in the trim paths effect. Go 20 frames backward and add a keyframe. Make the values to 60%. Select all the keyframes. And you can increase the speed by holding the Alt key and dragging the last keyframe to the left. Make sure to easy ease the keyframes and change the graphs. Duplicate the shape layer and bring it to the top. I'm also adding a third shape layer below the R logo. Experiment with the effects. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the very next After Effects tutorial.